Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super easy and delicious Mexican oatmeal. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 3 cups of old-fashioned oats, 6 cups of milk, sweetened condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of Mexican vanilla blend, 1 pilóncillio, 1.5 cinnamon sticks, and 3 whole cloves. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start by grabbing a large pot. We're going to add 2 cups of water. And we're just going to set it on medium-high heat. To that we're going to add our pilóncillio, our cinnamon sticks, our 3 whole cloves, and a pinch of salt. So we're just going to leave everything in there until the pilóncillio dissolves. Alright guys, so once the pilóncillio has dissolved, we're going to reduce the heat to medium setting. And now we're going to add our milk. Don't make a mess. Along with our vanilla. Okay, so just mix it. And now we're just going to warm up our milk. So just make sure that you're mixing it. Alright, so after 5 minutes, we're going to remove our cloves. We don't need anyone to choke while they're enjoying their delicious oatmeal. So remove them. Okay, so now we're going to add our oats. Alright, so now we're just going to let our oats cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Alright guys, so after 15 minutes, our Mexican oatmeal is ready. So now we are ready to serve. So grab your cup, your bowl. Just like that. Okay. Alright guys, so once we're ready to serve, I'm just going to top it with some pumpkin pie spice. And of course you can use cinnamon if you want. Okay. And I'm just going to add a little wafer. And now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this, seriously, it's super delicious. If you like arroz con leche, you're going to love this Mexican oatmeal. It's so delicious. It's perfect, you know, for the upcoming holidays or just to enjoy every single morning. So good. I'm just going to mix it. Now, if you want it a little bit more sweeter, then just add a little bit of, drizzle some condensed milk. And of course, if you want it more runny, just add more milk. But for me, this is just perfect. So hope you give it a try. So good. Seriously, the best. And there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious Mexican oatmeal. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.